Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Motorola Moto G60s and you need to do a hard reset on it, but the screen is locked and you don't have the pin code. We can actually bypass that pin code and delete it. It's also going to delete everything else off the phone, but if you're ready to do that, it's pretty easy to do. All we're going to do is, with our phone turned off already, we're going to go ahead and press the power button and volume down button simultaneously, and we're just going to continue to hold it until the phone turns on and enters a bootloader mode like this. We're then going to use the volume buttons to toggle through this little menu here until we get to it. I think it'll start in this start mode, and we're just going to toggle it down to recovery mode. Once we hit recovery mode, we're going to hit the power button to confirm. And then it'll show up with the Motorola logo and then a no command screen. When you get to the no command screen, you're just going to hit the power button and the volume up button. And once you tap that once, it will take you to this recovery mode. We're going to use the volume buttons to toggle down to wipe data factory reset. Hit the power button to select. From there, we're going to toggle down to factory data reset. And again, hit the power button to select. Understanding that once we hit the power button here, there's no going back. Everything will be deleted off your phone. Once that's all been deleted, we can hit the reboot system now, and your phone will turn off and turn back on like it was the day it came out of the box.